My name is Monika Kulik. I've been with GetResponse for 11 years and I am talent manager, so I'm responsible for the whole talent acquisition area. When I started here, and it was more than 11 years ago, I was administrative assistant and then I moved to executive assistant role and then I was junior talent acquisition and now I'm talent manager. So I think I am a perfect example that if you want and you're involved and eager to work hard and you love what you do, you can achieve that in that company. I love my team. I love working with them. They are a creative bunch, and whether I am at work or not, I know that they will do the job and they will support each other if there is a need for that. I love about the new office that it's gorgeous, it's diverse, and it's a fun space. And there's plenty of plants here, so yeah, that's awesome. When I first came to the office, the graffiti and the swings surprised me totally. I found the office space that is perfect for me to have a meeting with my candidates. But yeah, I love the game room and I love the focus rooms and the quiet rooms as well. Definitely the coolest thing for me when it's about working for GetResponse are people, amazing specialists, and the atmosphere here. I love it. If you want to be more creative and you look the right space for that, our office is awesome for that because the diversity of the rooms, the space, the views, and the chance to meet with people and have a chat with them will definitely help you to move on with difficult projects and to be more creative on an everyday basis.